Have you ever thought about how your relationships impact your success? This isn't just a casual question. It's the foundation of the powerful book, Never Eat Alone, penned by Keith Ferrazzi and Tal Raz. An intriguing read that shifts our focus from personal achievements to the significance of building and leveraging networks. In the world we live in, success is often portrayed as a solitary pursuit, a lone wolf's journey to the top. But Ferrazzi and Raz challenge this view. They propose that success is not about individual accomplishments, but rather about the relationships we build, the connections we foster, and the networks we weave around us. Think about it. The people you know, the relationships you've nurtured, they can open doors that you didn't even know existed. They can provide insights, opportunities, and perspectives that you would have missed if you were going it alone. But this isn't just about professional networking. It's about forming meaningful, authentic relationships. It's about understanding that every interaction is an opportunity to learn, to grow, to contribute, and to build connections that can last a lifetime. In our personal lives, these relationships add richness, depth, and joy. They provide support in tough times, companionship in good times, and a sense of belonging that's fundamental to our well-being. In our professional lives, these relationships become the stepping stones to success. They foster collaborations, spark innovations, and create opportunities that can propel our careers forward. So, let's reframe our understanding of success. Let's move away from the idea of the solitary achiever and embrace the power of relationships. Let's understand that it's not just about what we can achieve on our own, but about what we can accomplish together. Because at the end of the day, it's the relationships we build, the connections we make, and the networks we create that define our success. A successful life, according to Ferrazzi, is built around meaningful relationships, not solitary endeavors. So next time you sit down for a meal, remember, never eat alone. Embrace the power of relationships and see how it transforms your life. How do you create a network that fuels your success? This question is at the heart of Keith Ferrazzi's approach to networking. It's not about collecting as many business cards as possible, but about building meaningful relationships. First and foremost, Ferrazzi emphasizes the principle of generosity. In a world often marked by competition and self-interest, he encourages us to give without the expectation of immediate return. This could mean sharing knowledge, providing support, or simply lending an ear, because when you help others, you're not just making a difference in their lives, you're also building a solid foundation for your network. Next, Ferrazzi encourages us to reach out to others. Don't be afraid to engage with new people and explore potential connections. Whether it's at a conference, a social event, or even online, every interaction presents an opportunity to expand your network. But remember, it's not about quantity, but quality. Focus on building relationships that are mutually beneficial, where both parties can learn, grow, and succeed together. In addition to reaching out, Ferrazzi emphasizes the importance of nurturing these relationships over time. Building a network isn't a one-time event, but a continuous process. Keep in touch with your contacts, check in on them, and show genuine interest in their lives. This not only strengthens your relationships, but also keeps you top of mind when opportunities arise. Now, let's talk about building relationships with influential people. Ferrazzi advises us not to shy away from connecting with those who have already achieved success. They can offer valuable insights and open doors that might otherwise remain closed. But remember, these relationships must be built on authenticity and mutual respect. Finally, Ferrazzi reminds us that maintaining relationships is just as important as building them. Don't let your connections fade away. Keep the lines of communication open and always be willing to lend a helping hand. Building and nurturing a network is a continuous process, and the key lies in being generous and genuinely caring about others. Remember, your network is not just a list of contacts. It's a community of relationships that can fuel your success. How can your network help you achieve your goals? Let's dive deep into the world of networking and explore how to leverage your network effectively. One of the key ways to do this is through pinging. Now you might be wondering, what is pinging? Well, it's the act of regularly checking in with your contacts. It's not about bombarding them with requests or pleas for help. Instead, it's about maintaining a connection, showing genuine interest in their lives and work. It's about reminding them that you are there, invested in the relationship, and ready to offer support when needed. Another effective way to utilize your network is by making introductions between people within your network. This is where you play the role of a connector, bridging the gap between two individuals who can mutually benefit from knowing each other. It's about creating opportunities for others and in turn increasing the overall value of your network. But remember, when making introductions, always consider the interests and needs of both parties. Your aim is to create a win-win situation, not to impose or inconvenience anyone. Now let's talk about the importance of following up. Following up is often overlooked, but it's a crucial part of networking. It's about showing appreciation for someone's time, reinforcing the connection you've made, and keeping the conversation going. A simple thank you note or a message acknowledging the conversation can go a long way in building a strong, lasting relationship. But above all, the most essential thing to remember when utilizing your network is the importance of building trust. Trust is the foundation of any relationship, and it's no different in networking. Be genuine, reliable, and respectful. Honor your commitments and maintain confidentiality. Show your contacts that they can trust you, and they'll be more likely to help you achieve your goals. So there you have it. Pinging, making introductions, following up, and building trust are all key strategies for utilizing your network effectively. But remember, your network is a powerful tool, but it's essential to use it with respect and integrity. So, what are the key takeaways from Never Eat Alone? In our journey through this book, we've discovered the profound significance of relationships in our path to success. It's not just about knowing people, but about fostering meaningful connections, ones that are built on the foundation of generosity and genuine care. This book has shown us that success isn't an individual endeavor, it's a collective effort. It's about building a network, a community that supports and uplifts you. It's about giving as much as you receive, if not more. Moreover, it's not enough to just build a network. We must also utilize it with integrity and respect. It's about nurturing those relationships, maintaining that trust, and always reciprocating the support we receive. In essence, the book teaches us that in the grand scheme of success, we should never eat alone. The road to achievement is much more fulfilling when traveled with others. Remember, success is not a solo journey, it's about building relationships and never eating alone.